Good morning, friends. This morning session is dedicated to all class language learners. So, we are doing some typical prepositions in general English, general grammar. See, generally, when we come across the preposition from, we are confused where to use from. Actually, from is used to show that something is prevented, like he was prevented from going there, he was rescued from drowning. See, he was about to be drowned in water. He was trying, he didn't know how to swim, so he was saved from drowning. He was rescued from being killed by criminal. He was rescued from being kidnapped by someone. So, from is used just to show something is prevented from. It is also used in the sense of point of time, like these schools now will reopen after a long break of COVID-19, from the next, month, from the next month, that's the month of August, yes, from this month also. Then across is used in the sense of on the opposite side of, like, you know, she lives across the Ganga river, or he lives across, the overbridge. She lives across the front, railway gate. And then he across is also used in the sense of from one side to the other, like there is a bridge across this river, there is a bridge across this river. So from one side to the other, connecting both the edge of the river. About is used in the sense of on the subject of something or somebody, like we have a doubt about his honesty, we have a doubt about reopening of the schools, we are not sure of, so we can say that we have a doubt about reopening of the schools after a long, lockdown due to COVID-19. We have just a doubt about his integrity. About it also used to, so approximation, not exact, like it is about 8 o'clock. She will come at about 9 o'clock. That means not exactly at 9 o'clock, maybe 9:30 or 9 or before 9 also. So when there is an approximation also you can use about, like we will talk, or we will get the result of class 10 in about 4 5 days, like that, approximately 4 5 days, maybe 4 days or maybe 5 days. About is also used with the verb infinitive 2 plus v1, like the train is about to arrive, just to show the action that is going to take immediately, like the function is about to commence. Yeah, the so is about to commence. Now along is also used in the sense of from, you know one end to the other, like he was walking along the road, walking, you were walking along the street, she was walking along the MG road, whatever. Before is used in the sense of presence of somebody, like he was standing before the police officer, she was brought before the judge, he was tried before the judge, the case was brought before the judge. Yes, before is also used when we are using two actions, one happening in the happening before the other, like in past perfect and simple past, like the patient had died before the doctor came. So the second action, before the second action, that means simple past action, before will be used. Before can also be used in the beginning, like before the doctor came the patient had already died, before the train arrived he already reached the station, like that. So it also sense gives the sense of time before as a conjunction, so it is used as a conjunction also. Like she takes her meal before going to her office, the patient had died before the doctor came. He arrived before me. Before is also used in the sense of a long time earlier. The Indians knew farming, you know, long before Europeans. The Indians knew farming before the Europeans. Here we are referring to a period of time long before. So, while in day-to-day conversation, preposition is very much important. Now, two or three phrases like give up, just to sacrifice, give up your bad habits in order to change your behavior. Similarly, give off, O double F. Give off means just to leave off. Give off all the belongings and let it be there on the road. Then, postpone, put off, or put off, Putoff, put off. Don't put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Put off means to postpone. So never postpone the thing that you can do today for tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. So don't put off till tomorrow. O double F. Put off means to postpone. Don't put off till tomorrow what you can do today. So we discussed some of the prepositions today. We will continue some other preposition next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.